We are feeling groovy, far out, and totally excited about resort number 3 on our Disney Resorts Challenge. That's right, we're headed back in time to Disney's Pop Century Resort, and we can't wait to show you around. Welcome to the Magical Resorts Guide. My name is Jennifer, and along with my husband Chris and baby Mason, we have made it our mission to explore all 18 Disney resorts by the end of 2022. We're excited to share our experiences, tips, and must-dos at each resort. So let's jump into stop number 3, Disney's Pop Century Resort. Before we show you the room, let's get a quick lay of the land. Disney's Pop Century Resort is located in the Epcot section of resorts at Walt Disney World. Each part of this resort is themed to represent a decade from the golden years, the 1950s through the 1990s. Walking through the main lobby, which is called Classic Hall, you will see lots of memorabilia from each decade, along with fun facts on the walking path around the property. Classic Hall is where you will find the resort check-in, bell services, activities, bus transportation, as well as your dining and shopping options, which we will explore a little bit later. One thing I love about the value resorts is the larger-than-life character statues around the property. Even though decades doesn't really scream Disney theme, you will see Disney characters all around. There's a Lady and the Tramp in the 1950s section, Mowgli and Baloo in the 1960s, a huge Mickey Mouse in the 1970s, and Roger Rabbit in the 1980s and 90s section. The large characters, along with additional theming on the outside of the buildings, really makes you feel like you've stepped into a movie. This resort wraps around half of Hourglass Lake. Originally, there were plans to build a sister resort featuring the 1900s through the 1940s across the lake, but those plans were changed, and now you will see the Art of Animation Resort across the water with a bridge linking the two. Each building is 4 stories high with all rooms opening to the outside. They are equipped with their own elevator and stairs, making room access easy for everyone. You will find vending machines and an ice maker on each floor of the building. Room renovations were just completed in 2018, offering lots of updated touches, so let's go check out our room. The value resort rooms are the smallest rooms on Disney property, but we were impressed by how the upgrades made great use of space. With sleek furniture, hardwood floors, and storage space under the bed, these rooms are much more comfortable than they were in the past and feel larger than they are. Pop Century offers rooms with 1 king bed, or a queen-size bed and a queen-size Murphy bed. The Murphy bed easily pulls from the wall, giving you extra space during the day. Your bathroom will come with a shower, single sink vanity, Disney's H2O toiletries, as well as your standard hairdryer, iron, and safe. If you have a little one that specifically needs a bathtub, be sure to call ahead and request a room with a shower tub combo. Coffee and teas are provided in the room for free, as well as a beverage mini fridge, but keep in mind that there are no microwaves in any resort rooms on Disney property. And the beverage mini fridge does not stay as cold as a regular mini fridge, just something to keep in mind. We think this resort is a hidden gem, not only for its room layout and updated rooms, but also for the resort's transportation options. So let's get into what we think makes a resort special: location, dining, and activities. Knowing how to get to the theme parks is super important, and it really depends on the location of your resort. Like we said before, Disney's Pop Century Resort is located in the Epcot Resort area, which gives you 2 great options to get to the theme parks using Disney transportation. Besides driving your personal car or taking rideshare, you have the option of Disney bus transportation and the Disney Skyliner, which is an amazing option at a value resort. To get to the Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom theme parks, you're going to want to take a Disney bus. The Disney bus station is going to be found in front of Classic Hall. Here you'll be able to take a bus to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Blizzard Beach, Typhoon Lagoon, Disney Springs, as well as Epcot and Hollywood Studios if the Skyliner isn't running for any reason. If the Skyliner is running though, there will not be a bus to Epcot or Hollywood Studios, so keep that in mind. All of the bus times will be listed outside of the bus pickup station as well as in your My Disney Experience app so that you can plan to be there when the next bus is arriving. The other great option for transportation at this resort is the Disney Skyliner, which we think makes this resort an amazing value. The Disney Skyliner will take you to Hollywood Studios and to Epcot. When you board the Skyliner, you will be heading to Disney's Caribbean Beach, which is the Skyliner hub. Here you will get out of your gondola and then get in line for either Hollywood Studios or Epcot. After leaving Caribbean Beach, gondolas going to Hollywood Studios go directly there, and gondolas going to Epcot will pass through the Riviera Resort before arriving at their destination. We love riding on the Disney Skyliner and felt it was a very relaxing moment before getting to the hustle and bustle of the parks. The Disney Skyliner starts running 1 hour before park opening and continues 1 hour after park closing. If there is severe weather, it will close down. However, bus transportation will be made available to get you where you need to go. And being able to have 2 different options of Disney transportation at a value resort is a huge perk. Dining options at the value resorts are limited to a food court and pool bar. At Pop Century, your quick service location is Everything Pop Shopping and Dining, which can be found inside Classic Hall. This quick service is currently set up for mobile ordering, which is so convenient. You can place your order in your My Disney Experience app, with the QR code outside of the restaurant, or by talking with a cast member inside of the restaurant. Here you will find breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a wide variety of options. The food, in our opinion, was just okay. You'll have to let us know what you think in the comments, but we did enjoy the barbecue pulled pork sandwiches, so keep that in mind. Pedal's Pool Bar is right next to the Hippy Dippy Pool in the 60 section and offers a wide variety of cocktails, beer, wine, and non-alcoholic drinks. However, there's no food at this location. But don't forget that you have access to the Disney Skyliner, where you can jump on and grab something to eat at Caribbean Beach or the Riviera Resort, as well as the walkway to Art of Animation. This opens up a ton more dining options beyond what you can typically find at your value resorts. At Pop Century Resort, you will find 3 family-style pools. The Hippy Dippy Pool is the main pool located in the center of the resort. This is the largest pool themed to match the 60 section, where it is located, with lots of hip decor and flower-shaped water jets that shoot into the pool. There is also a tennis table next to the pool and a small kiddie splash area off to the side. In the 80s and 90s section, you will find the computer pool, which is shaped to its name, complete with a floppy disk and keypad. And our favorite pool is the bowling pool over in the 50s section. This pool is in the shape of a bowling pin with a larger-than-life jukebox in the background. The theming of this pool is just so cool. All 3 pools play music from their decade, which really sets the mood for that pool, and cast member-led pool games will be found at the Hippy Dippy Pool. Typical pool hours are 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., but this can change seasonally, so be sure to check with the resort before making plans. If you are looking for other activities around the resort, be sure to check out the Fast Forward Arcade inside Classic Hall and do some shopping at the Everything Pop store for unique Disney and resort merchandise. There are also jogging trails and Movie Under the Stars on select nights. You can find the movie schedule listed near the Hippy Dippy Pool location or inside Classic Hall. Pop Century is a great value resort and for us really doesn't get enough love. If you've stayed here before or are planning a trip, be sure to chat with us in the comments. We think this resort is perfect for people who are spending most of their times at the park because of the multiple transportation options. And for families with kids, it has a kid-friendly feel with the larger-than-life characters and the big family-sized pools. Typically, Pop Century comes in slightly under the price of Art of Animation, making it a great value. If you would like to learn more about Pop Century or see where we head to next, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and follow along. And if you missed our first resorts, you can catch up right here. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a magical resort stay.